I think one of the most important things during this difficult time, which is challenging for all of us, is to maintain a regular schedule. Try to sit down at the kitchen table or at the counter. Sometimes you hear the word grazing, and that refers to just kind of eating a little bit of this, a little bit of that every now and then, and not really having regular meals. And this can throw your body's hunger patterns off, where you kind of lose sense of when you get really hungry or you don't. And you lose track too. You lose track of how much you're really eating. I think if people emphasize for about 80% of the time more nutrient dense, more quote healthful foods, that it leaves them some elbow room to enjoy some of the other things that, particularly at this time, maybe things that give us a little bit of comfort, which we all need.